Right now, notice this thought. What if the fear you feel is not a warning, but an old story you're ready to outgrow? Close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose, and gently release it through your mouth. Allow your body to soften as you arrive fully in this moment. Bring to mind a belief that has been holding you back without judging it or trying to fix it. Notice where this belief lives in your body, perhaps as tension, heaviness, or tightness. As you breathe, imagine space forming around that sensation. Silently acknowledge this belief by saying, "I see you, and I no longer need you." With each exhale, let the fear lose its grip, dissolving just a little more. Feel your heart slow, steady, and guide your mind back into balance. Now introduce a new truth. You are safe to grow, safe to choose differently, safe to expand. Let this truth settle where the old belief once lived. Sense a quiet confidence replacing doubt. Not forced, but natural. Take one final breath and rest in the feeling of clarity and inner certainty.